ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। नारायणं पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथास्य शिष्यम् श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथास्य पद्मपादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यं तं तोटकं वार्तिककारमन्यान् अस्मद्गुरून् सन्ततमानतोऽस्मि। सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। अपारकरुणा सिन्धुं ज्ञानदं शान्तरूपिणम् श्रीचन्द्रशेखरगुरुं प्रणमामि मुदान्वहम्। यत्कृपालेशमात्रेण पुमान् पूर्णः प्रजायते तं वन्दे ब्रह्मविद्धुर्यम् सद्गुरुं चन्द्रशेखरम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारम् प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमतो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत्
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत्
अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणं मे अस्तु
अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणमे
निराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणमे
अस्तु
तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्मास्ते मयि सन्तो ते मयि सन्तु
तदात्मनिरतेय
तदात्मनिरतेय
उपनिषत्सु
उपनिषत्सु
धर्मास्ते
धर्मास्ते
मयि
मयि
सन्तु ते
ते
मयि
मयि
सन्तु
सन्तु
ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः
ॐ शान्ति
शान्तः शान्तः
शान्ति
शान्तिः
शान्तिः
चतुर्थः अध्यायः तृतीयः अध्यायः समाप्तः अद्य चतुर्थ अध्यायस्य आरम्भं कुर्मः चतुर्थ अध्यायस्य प्रथम मन्त्रः सा ब्रह्मेति होवाच
सा
सा
ब्रह्मेति होवाच
ब्रह्मणो वा एतद् विजये
ब्रह्मणो वा एतद्विजये
महीयध्वमिति
महीयध्वमिति
ततो हैव विदाञ्चकार ब्रह्मेति
ततो
ततो हैवचकार ब्रह्मेति
We know the Akhyayika, the last mantra of the previous Adhyaya. When Indra came, the Yaksha disappeared. Whereas when other Devatas came, Yaksha tested them. But when the moment Indra came, disappeared, Indra felt humiliated, but he was determined to know who the Yaksha was. So he just stood in the same place. And in the same place, Vidya appeared in order to bless Indra. The story, what we have seen, the third chapter is only story. Now the fourth chapter continues. That Vidya, Brahma Vidya, appeared in the form of Uma Devi, and she was very effulgent. And now she will play the role of a guru and give Upadesha to Indra. So therefore, Sa Brahma iti hovacha. Brahmanaho etat vijaye magi yadhamiti. Sa referring to Uma Devi, Brahma Vidya, who came in the form of Uma Devi, that is Parvati. Sa Brahma Vidya, Yaksharupini, Sa Brahma Vidya, Srilinga, and Sa, therefore referring to Brahma Vidya, and it is Ishwari, the Avatara, Bhagavan, Bhagavata Avatara. So in the form of the goddess Uma Devi. So when Indra inquired, who are you? Then when Indra inquired, who are you, the Yaksha, then Bhagavan revealed. Then the Sa Hovacha, he told, Sa Brahma Vidya told. It means she listened to the words of Indra. She, at the request of the Indra, who is going to be the Shishya for receiving this knowledge which she is going to impart. So she acceded to the request of Indra, and therefore she told that Brahma iti, that Yaksha was Brahma, tat Yaksham Brahma iti. Because Indra wanted to know, when others asked, before others asked, the Yaksha asked, who are you? That was humiliation. Indra wanted to know who that Yaksha is. Now, this Umadevi told that Yaksha is Brahma. That Yaksha is Brahma, Brahma Vidya, that is me alone. So that Brahma, who is that Brahma? Kim tat Brahma? Shotrasya Shotram Manaso Manoyat Vacho Vacham Sahu Pranasya Pranaha, the entire first chapter. Kim tat Brahma. If at all, if Indra asked, then that would have been the Upadesha, already Upadesha given. Shotrasya Shotramiti. That which is the eye of the eye, ear of the ear, that is the Brahma. That Brahma, Brahmanaha Vai Vijaye. Brahmanaha Va Etat Vijaye. That Vijaya, the victory of the Asuras, is the victory of Brahma. Therefore, Brahmanaha Vijaye, therefore the glory goes to whom? Brahma. But what happened? Magi Yaddum. Yuyam Magi Yaddum iti. But you people are claiming the victory of Brahma. You people claim the victory over the Asuras. But it is really the victory of Brahma. Magi Yaddum. Magi Yaddum. You can note this. I think this word occurred before the previous chapter. There is a dhatu, Mahing Pujayam. In the Kandvadi Gana, dhatu is Mahing Atmane. Not Atmane, Nakara is there as intellect. Kanduyadi, Kandvadi Gana will take anyway yak only. Whatever may be the dhatu, it will take yak. Kandvadibhyaha yak. So the dhatu is there in Kandvadi Gana. Kanduyati, Kanduyate. So like that we have the forms. So Mahi plus yak. Mahi plus yak, yes, it's kit, therefore no Angakarya possible. That's for Mahi only. Therefore you get the dhatu Magiya, Sanadintaha dhatuvaha Magiya. Then Lot Lakara will be Magiya Dvam. Madhyama Purusha, Bhagavachanam. Yuyam Magiya Dvam iti. Etat Vijaye. In this victory of Brahmaji, Brahmaji, in this victory of Brahma, that is Ishvara, Yuyam Magiya Dvam. You are Etat Yuyam Magiya Dvam. Etat Magiya Dvam. Etat is equal to, Bhashakara will say, Etat is Evam iti. In this way, in this manner, you are claiming. In this manner, what manner? Asmakam eva vijayaha, asmakam eva ayam magima iti. That is the Etat. In this way, Etat means this, but it is not this. Etat is equal to Evam. Bhashakara in the Bhashyam will say. Therefore, Evam Mahi Yaddvam iti. Therefore, Evam is adverbial usage. Sa Brahmavidya Parvati Umadevi Uvacha Tad Tat Yaksham Brahma iti. Brahmanaha Vijaye Yuyam Etat, that is Evam Magiyadvam iti. Iti Uvacha Sa. You all claim victory in this. We are all claiming. Lotlakara, this. You are all claiming victory in this manner. Magiyadvam. Then, tataha haiva vidhan chakara brahmeti. Tataha, from the Vakya, from the Prativachanam of Madevi, Tataha, that is Tataha. Tataha eva Indraha Vidan Chakara Anuprayoge lit. Indra came to know Janitama. Veda. Indra came to know what that Yaksha was. Ishvaraha iti. Tataha is equal to Tasmat. Tataha, from that, from the words of Parvati. Vidan Chakara Kaha. Indraha Vidan Chakara Tadyaksham Tadyaksham Brahmagiti Ishvaraha iti. Oh, the Bhashya. So Umadevi revealed that Yaksha is Brahma. And Indra is going to be taught. Therefore, that Brahma Vidya appeared. Brahma Vidya in the form of the Parvati, the form of the goddess Parvati, Madevi. Now the Bhashya. Sa Brahmeti Hovacha
सा ब्रह्मेति होवाच
Ha Kila
किल
Brahmano Vai Ishvarasya Eva Vijaye
ब्रह्मणो
ब्रह्मणो वै ईश्वरस्य एव विजये
Ishvarena Eva Jitaha Asuraha
ईश्वरेण एव जिताः असुराः
Yuyam Tatra Nimittamatram
यूयं तत्र निमित्तमात्रं
Tasya Eva Vijaye
तस्य एव विजये
Yuyam Magiyadvam Magimanam Prapnutha
यूयं
यूयं
महीयत्वं
महीयध्वं
महिमानं
महिमानं प्राप्नुथ
Etad Iti Kriya Visheshanartham
एतदिति
एतद् इति
क्रियाविशेषणार्थं
क्रियाविशेषणार्थं
Mityabhimanastu Yushmakam
मिथ्याभिमानस्तु
मिथ्याभिमानस्तु
युष्माकम्
युष्माकम्
Asmakam eva ayam vijayaha asmakam eva ayam mahima iti.
अस्माकम् एव
अस्माकम् एव
विजयः
अयं विजयः
अस्माकम्
अस्माकम्
एव
एव
महिमा
अयं महिमा
इति
इति
Tataha tasmat uma vakyat
ततः तस्मात् उमा
तस्मात्
वाक्यात्
ha eva
क एव
एव
vidanchakara brahmeti indraha
विदाञ्चकार
ब्रह्मेति
ब्रह्मेति
इन्द्रः
इन्द्रः
avadharanat tato haiva iti.
अवधारणात् ततो हैव
अवधारणात्
इति
Na swatantriyena.
न
न स्वातन्त्र्येण
Previous adhyaya summary, in fact, I have given before itself the entire Akhyaika. So last shloka only, last and before. Only we saw in the last class. So, sa Indrena Prishta Uma Devi, that is Brahma, Vijaya Karanam Uktavati, Kila Uvacha Indram. Kim Tatta Sa Brahma Iti, Etad Vijaya Ishvarena Eva Jitaha Asuraha. So Sa, the Uma Devi, Kila, Ha is kila indeed, Vacha told. Iti, she told thus, told that it is Sa Brahma Iti, that is Brahma. Then that Vijaya in the victory, Vijaya Karanam Kim, Brahma Eva Vijaya Karanam. Brahma Eva Vijaya Karanam, that Brahma Vijaya in this Jaya, victory, Vijaya, Brahmanaha Ishwarasya Eva. Brahmanaha is equal to Ishwarasya. Brahmanaha Eva Ayam Vijayaha. Ishwarena Brahmana Eva Asuraha Jitaha. Asuras were conquered by Brahma, by Ishvara. Into Yuyam, you are all there for what? Tatra, with regard to that, Tasmin Vishaye, Nimitta Matram Bhavasabhya Sachin. Like in the Gita, Bhagavan says. So, Nimitta Matram Eva, Pavantaha Sarve, Yuyam Sarve, Nimitta Matram. You are just a Nimitta Matram. Therefore, Nimitta Matram is, you are just a Nimitta, you are not the Karta. So, Kartrutva Abhimanam Vina, Kartrutva Abhimanam Tyaktva, Kevalam Nimitta Matram Eva Iti Matva, Karma Karaniyam. Gunaha Guneshu Vartante, Iti Matva Na Sajjate, Panditaha Vidvamsaha. So, Gunaha Guneshu Vartante. Where is that? From where this Abhimana comes? I did that. Gunaha Guneshu Vartante. Iti Nyatva Matva Panditaha Na, they are not deluded. Panditaha Na Sajjante, they are not attached, therefore they are free. They don't attribute those gunas to themselves. That is Mithya Abhimana, Kartrutva Abhimana. Therefore, Tasya Vijaye. Yuyam Tatra Nimittam Matram, Tasya Vijaye, Tasya Eva Vijaye. Yuyam Agiyadvam. Agiyadvam is Lot Lakara. Agiyadvam. But here Lot Lakara, how can it be? Therefore, Bhashyakara gives Mahimanam Prapnuta. Lat Arte Lot it is. Lot is used in the sense of Lat Prapnuta. Apnoti, Apnutaha, Apnuvanti. Apnoshi, Apnutaha, Apnuta, Pravapasarga, Prapnuta, Bhagavachan, Madhyam Purusha. Magiyadvam is Lot. Bhashyakara gives the meaning of Magiyadvam. Mahimanam Prapnuta, Apnuta, Prakarshena, Apnuta, which is Lat. So therefore, Lat Arte Lot Prayujyate Atra. You all claim victory. You all claim the glory. You all claim the glory to yourself. The glory of winning the Asuras in the battle that you all claim. Asmakam eva vijayaha, asmakam agimagiti. Etat is the etat agi yadvam. Etat iti kriya visheshanartam. Bhashyakara is, what is this? Etat. It is the kriya visheshanartam. It has a sense of kriya visheshanam, adverbial usage here. Etat iti kriya visheshanartam. It is used in sense of kriya visheshanam. Therefore, kriya visheshananam karmattam ishyate. Therefore, napumsaka dvitiya vachananta ek dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanantatvam. Therefore, etat iti napumsakalinga. Etat ete etani, etat ete etani, etat. So, kriya visheshanartam. Kriyayaha visheshanam, kriya visheshanam. Kriya visheshanam artam prayojanam yasya kriya visheshanartam. तः क्रियाविशेषणार्थम् इति. So in this, in this manner, then mityabhimanah tu Yushmakam mitya abhimanah. Yushmakam mitya abhimanah asti. You all people have mitya abhimana which is mitya ahankara, mitya abhimana, the false notion, the wrong idea that I won the war, the glory belongs to us. So false abhimana. Asmakam eva vijayaha, this victory is ours. Asmakam eva magima, this glory is our glory. We conquered them. That ahankara, that mitya abhimana, evam Yushmakam mitya abhimanaha iti. Tataha, the next line, tataha tasmat. Tataha is equal to tasmat. Tasmat is Umavakya, from the words, from the sentences of Umadevi. Indraha Vidhanchakara. He came to know what Tat Brahma Giti, that Yaksha was Brahma. Iti Indraha Vidhanchakara Nyatavan Ityartaha. Bhashikara further he says on that Yevakara is the Avadharanat, because of the emphasis, Avadharanat, Tataha ha eva, from that Tataha Brahma iti, Avadharanat, Tataha aiva, that aiva is ha eva is Tataha eva, from that Vakya of the Uma Devi alone, Tataha ha eva iti, that eva Avadharanat, only when she replied, only when she revealed, then only Indra came to know. Na swatantriyena, who can know Brahma independently? Therefore, she revealed Brahma. She revealed Kim Tat Brahma. She revealed Kim Tat Yaksha, that Yaksha is Brahma. Kim Tat Brahma, probably we need to understand that if Indra had asked what that Brahma is, then she would have told Shotrasya, Shotram Manaso Manogita Vacho Vacham, Savapranasya Pranaha, Yasya Matam Tasya Matam, Ityadi. Vijnatam Avijanatam Avijanatam, Avijnatam Vijanatam Ityadi. Mantrahi, probably she would have Uttavati told. It means Brahma Vidya or Brahma is revealed not Swatantriyana. It is revealed only through the teacher. So here Uma Devi is a teacher, the first female teacher. In the Shruti itself, she is the teacher in the female form. The goddess Avatara also. So she revealed, na Swatantriyana, and all. That's why that Evakara is important. Swatantriyana Brahmanvesham na kuryat. So unless it is revealed by the teacher in the Sampradaya, it cannot be known. And it is revealed by the goddess himself. Like Adi Dakshinamurti or Narayana, and here we have Adi Ishwari, Parvati Devi, Sakshat Parvati Devi herself revealed. That is Evakara. Avadharanat Tataha Haiva iti. Na Swatantriyana, not independently. So Indra independently he cannot know. He could not have come to know. It is not possible. Therefore, she revealed, he came to know. See, this is the meaning. Then the next mantra. Let us read the Sangati. Yasmat Agnivayu
यस्मात् अग्निवायुविन्द्राः
इन्द्राः
Ete Devaha
एते देवाः
Brahmanah Samvada Darshanadina
ब्रह्मणः
ब्रह्मणः संवाददर्शनादिना
सामीप्यम् उपगताः
सामीप्यमुपगताः
यस्मात् why yasmat? Because in the mantra tasmat is there. That's why yasmat. So yes, Bhashyakara connects. Tasmad iti mantra starts. That's why yasmat. Yasmat is yataha, since. Agni Vayu Indraha. Agnischa Vayuscha Indrascha Agni Vayu Indraha. Yete Devaha. Yete Devaha. Brahmanaha Samvada Darshanadina Samipyam Upagataha. These Devas, Agni Vayu and Indra, they Brahmanaha Samvada Darshanadina. Brahmanaha Samvada Darshanadina by Samvada. By dialogue. Darshanam. By seeing. Then Shravanam, then all those things. That is a Adipadat. Adipadat, Brahmanaha Samipyam Upagataha. They came near Brahma. They attained closeness, proximity of Brahma. They attained proximity of Brahma. Means what? Brahmanaha Samvada, because Samvada Darshanadina, because Brahma, that is Parvati, she taught. Parvati now teaches Indra, and Indra will go back and will teach the other devatas. Therefore, by dialogue is possible only when the person approaches. Indra approached and saw the Umadevi, and then questioned. Pariprashna, tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. And he saw and questioned. Then there is a dialogue. Then Indra heard, therefore attained the proximity of Brahma. Since they came to know the Brahma, what Brahma is. Devas learned the Brahma Vidya. That is the meaning. Indra learned the Brahma Vidya first, and then Indra taught to other Devatas, and they all were then glorified because of the knowledge of Brahma Vidya. So therefore, Yasmad Agnivayu Indraha ete Brahmana Sambhada Darshanadina Samipyam Upagataha. The Upagataha, the word is important. Upagataha, Upa, Samipam, Gataha, that is Upanishatu, Upanayanam, Samipam Agataha, they came close to this Brahma Vidya, Samipyam, proximity, close. So close to Brahma Vidya means proximity. They came near Brahma Vidya, meaning they attained the knowledge of Brahma Vidya, they learned Brahma Vidya from Ishvara herself, Ishwari herself. Therefore, these devas are now, they are glorified. That is why Yasmad Tasmad. Mantra starts. Tasmad va yete devaha.
तस्माद् वा ये देवाः
Atitaramiva anyan devan. Yadagnirvayurindraste. Enannedishtam pastrishuhu. Te hyenat pratamo vidanchakara brahmeti.
ब्रह्मेति
Tasmat, why becomes va because of sandhi. Tasmat vai ete devaha atitaram iva anyan devan. Yat agnihi vayuhu indraha te hi yenannedishtam. Yenat enedishtam. He plus Enat. Enat is another form of Etat Ditya Vibhakti. Ekavachanam. Enat. Nedishtam. Enat plus Nedishtam. Enan Nedishtam. Yaraha Arnasike Arnasikova Sandhi. Enan Nedishtam pas Prashuhu Litlakara. Tehi Enat Tatamaha Vidanchakara Brahma iti. Okay, then we Tasmat. Yasmat Tasmat et Tasmat yataha tataha Brahmanah saha Agni Vayuindraha Sambadam Kritavantaha iti. Tasmadetoho eva ete devaha prasiddaha Agni Indra Vayavaha Anyan Devan refers to other devatas, Agni Vayu also. So Sarve Prasiddaha. Tasmat ete devaha, these devas. Therefore, these devas, yet prasiddaha, yet Agnihi Vayuhu, Indraha te. Atitaram. Atitaram is, it is not a Kriya Padam, but used as a Kriya Padam here. Atitaram. Atitaram is Tara plus Tara Pratyaya and Nam, it is a Tadita, but it is used as a Kriya Padam. Excelled, that is the meaning Atitaram. Excelled. Iva, as. Iva, excelled, Iva. As though. Anyan Devan. Anyan Devan Atitaram Iva. So therefore these devas, they are Prasiddhaha, Devataha, these devas, they excelled the other devas. Because they came near this Vidya and attained this knowledge, therefore Tasmat, Yataha, therefore Tataha, Tasmat, Ete Devaha, Anyan Devan Atitaram. Anyan Devan Atitaram. Kete Devaha, Yet Agnihi Vayuhu Indraha. Te Anyan Devan Atitaram Iva, as though they excel the other devatas. Why? Because he, te, pas prashuhu, sprushdatoho litrupam, pas prashuhu, sprushdatu, because sprush to contact. So pas prashuhu. So they contacted because they contacted Brahma Vidya. Therefore, pas prashuhu, yenat, this Brahman, they contacted Brahma. Nedishtam. Nedishtam is Ishtan Pratyaya. Nedishtam has a meaning of intimately, approximately. Nedishtam. Nedishtam means closely, approximately. Ati nikatam ityartaha. Nedishtam, the meaning of Nedishtam. Ati nikatam. Samipya, very close, proximity. Antika atishayane tamap ishtano. Tadita sutra. Tamap pratyaya or ishtan pratyaya in the sense of superlative. Atishayane tamapishtano. 5355 sutra. Now there is another sutra is there. That in the sense of proximity, close proximity. So Antika, to that word Antika, Ishtan Pratyaya can be added. Then Antika, the word will be replaced by Neda. Therefore you get Nedishta. So Tadita word. Antika Badayor Neda Sadhu. Iti Sutram. 5363. So Atishaya, Antika is proximity close. So that will be replaced by Ned and Ishtan Pratyaya. So in the sense of close proximity, very proximately close. So they contacted Brahma. They got the knowledge very intimately. They owned up this knowledge very intimately. Prashuhu, sprish, to touch, means contacted, they gained. He Vidanchakara, they came to know Yatad Brahma. Hite, he, Enat, Pratamaha, because they are the Pratamaha first people, they Vidanchakara, Yatad Brahma, they came to know this Brahma. Vidanchakara is singular. So, te is there. Therefore, you have to change it to Bhagavachanam. Saha Jnatavan, te Jnatavantaha. Saha Vidanchakara, Indraha Vidanchakara, te Devaha Vidanchakaruhu. It will be Bhagavachanam. Vidanchakaruhu. Te Vidanchakaruhu. It is Vaidika usage. Veda can use. You need to understand. Te Enat, he Enat Brahma Pratamaha Vidanchakara. They the first people to know this Brahma, Pratamaha. Therefore, they are glorified. That is the Mahima of them. Now, Bhashyam, Brahmajnanasya Dushtam Palam. Tasmat Svaihi Gunaihi
तस्मात् स्वैः गुणैः
Atitaramiva
अतितरामिव
Shakti Gunadi Mahabhagyaihi
शक्तिमहाभाग्यैः
Anyan Devan Atitaram Atisherate Iva
अन्यान् देवान् अतितराम् अतिशेषेव
Ete Devaha
एते देवाः
Iva Shabdaha Anartakaha Avadharnartaha Va
इव शब्दः अनर्थकः अवधारणार्थः
Yadagnerva Yurindraha
यदग्निर्वायुरिन्द्रः
Tehi Devaha
ते देवाः
Yasmat Enad Brahmanedishtam
यस्मात् ब्रह्मनिष्ठम्
Edishtam is equal to Antikatamam
अन्तिकतमम्
Priyatamam
प्रियतमम्
Pasprashuhu
पशुः
is equal to Sprishtavantaha
स्पृष्टवन्तः
Yatoktaihi Brahmanaha
यतोक्तैः ब्रह्मणः
Samvadadi Prakaraihi
संवादादिप्रकारैः
Tehi
ते
Yasmacha Hetoho
यस्माच्च हेतोः
Yenat Brahma
येन ब्रह्मा
Pratamaha Pradhanaha Santaha Yityetat
प्रथमः प्रधानाः सन्त एत्येतत्
Vidanchakara Vidanchakruhu iti
विदाञ्चकार विदाञ्चक्रुः इति
Shamitam Vidanchakruhu. I said Vidanchakaru Chakruhu because Chakara Chakratuhu Chakruhu Chakara Vidanchakara Chakratuhu Tal Atus Us. So Vidanchakara Vidanchakratuhu Vidanchakruhu, not Chakaruhu. That's my mistake, I said. It is lit Anuprayage lit. Even other Nalatus Us Krudatoho Litrupam Chakara Chakrutuhu Chakruhu. So Dvitiya will be Atus Pratyaya. So duplication happens and Chakratuhu you get. And Bhagavachanam it is Nalatus Us is a Pratyaya. Usya Padanta. Okay, that is different here used. So Us Pratyaya. So Vidan Chakruhu it will be. Okay, not Chakaru. विधांचकार विधांचक्रुः इति
विदाञ्चकार
विदाञ्चक्रुः
विदाञ्चक्रुः
इति
एतद् ब्रह्म इति
एतद् ब्रह्म इति
भाष्यकारस्य विधांचक्रुः ज्ञातवन्तः इत्यर्थः बिकास् इट् इस् बहुवचनं सो तस्मात् ऐश्वर्य स्वैः गुणैः ऐश्वर्य गुणैः स्वैः गुणैः तस्मात् स्वैः गुणैः therefore तस्मात् एते देवाः अतितराम् इव तस्मात् देवाः therefore these devas atitaram iva atisherate atishyena sherate iva excelled as though iva is as though kan anyan devan tasmat svaihi gunaihi by their gunas one quality svaihi gunaihi aishwarya gunaihi what are they shakti gunadi mahabhagyehi shakti power guna the qualities mahabhagya great bhagyam fortune all this the guna which is terms of shakti guna gunadi mahabhagyehi shakti gunadi mahabhagyehi anyan devan other devas atitaram they excelled atishayena sherate atisherate eva as though they excelled other devatas as though because they came in close proximity with brahma vidya brahma is nirgunam brahma they came in close proximity with brahma means brahma vidya they gained therefore they excelled other devatas as though iva shabdaha so iva shabdaha is either iva shabda anartaka doesn't have any meaning avidyamanaha arthaha yasya saha anartakaha or it could be avadharanarthaha avadharanarthaha iva shabdaha for emphasis avadharana so it is either it can be any of this meaning iva shabdaha it has no specific meaning anartaka means not useless doesn't have any avidyamanaha arthaha not doesn't have any meaning iva or avadharanartha or to emphasize these devas alone have got this knowledge they are blessed they came into contact with this knowledge therefore iti you can take yat agnihi vayuh indrah te devaha agni vayur indrah te devaha yasmat pasprishuh is equal to sprishtavantah yenat brahma nedishtamantiktamam pasprishuh is sprishtavantah did Prishthatu to touch, but what is touching here? That is, it is came into contact with Brahma Genat Brahma Antika Nedishtam. Nedishtam is Antika Tamam. Bhashakara gives Antika Tamam close. They contacted this Brahma Yaksharupa Brahma Nedishtam very intimately, closely. So, pasprashuhu, pasprashatuhu, pasprashuhu, te devaha. Prishtavantaha yatha uktaihi, sambadadi prakarahi, in the manner, in the form of sambada, dialogue, then darshanam, shravanam, etc., as it is said, as it was described before. So, yenat brahma nedishtam yatoktaihi brahmanaha sambadadi prakaraihi, in the manner it was said, यथोक्तैः स्पृशुः स्पृष्टवन्तः, they came into contact with this vidya, brahma vidya. ते हि देवाः, ते देवाः यस्मादेतोः, because of this reason, यस्मादेतोः ते देवाः Vidanchakara, they came to know. Yasmadetoho enat Brahma. Came to know what? Enat Brahma. Enat Brahma is karma. Dvitiya Bhakti, Ekavachanam. Vidanchakara, Vidanchakruhu, they came to know this Brahma. And Pratamaha, because Devaha is there, therefore Pratamaha, Enat Brahma, Pratamaha, Pradhanaha, Santaha, Ityartaha. So Enat Brahma, they came to know Brahma. प्रथमः प्रधानाः सन्तः बहुवचनं, therefore ते प्रधानाः सन्तः. These devas begin very prominent. They are important devatas. Therefore they are pratamaha. Therefore they came to know Brahma iti. So they were the first people who came to know this Brahma. So Agni Vayuhu Indraha, Agnir Vayur Indraha, Prasiddhaha, te एनत् नेदिष्टम् एनत् यक्षरूपम् नेदिष्टम् अतिशयेन समीपस्थम् पस्पृशुः गतवन्तः. एनत् यक्षरूपम् ब्रह्म एवं प्रकारेण संवादि दर्शनप्रकारैः प्रथमाः प्रधानाः सन्तः ते पस्पृशुः. अथवा प्रथमः can be, that's one Tikakara says, Pratamaha can be, that's what we explained, Pratamaha can be taken as Pratamam. They were the first, Pratamam, they came to know Vidanchakara, Vidanchakruhu. Or Pratamaha can be converted, either Pratamaha, the word can be converted into Bhagavachanam and as a qualifier to Devas. Te Devaha, Pratamaha, they are the first people, they are Pratamaha is Pradhanaha ityartha, Pradhanaha Santaha, being the important people. Therefore, te yenata Brahma Vidan Chakruhu Nyatavantaha. Atava, Pratamaha can be taken as Pratamam. So therefore, Pratamam, firstly, so we can take it as Karma, Kriya, it is Karma, Kriya Visheshanam. Therefore, Pratamam Vidan Chakara, Vidan Chakruhu, Yenat, Etat Brahma. Therefore, Sreshtaha, because they came to know this Brahma. Therefore, they are Sreshtaha, therefore, they are Pradhanaha. In that way also it is possible to interpret. So that's one Tikakara says. So anyway, we can take then the next shloka. We'll read a Sangati in the mantra. Mantra detail we will see in next class. So therefore, these devas, they attained glory really now because of this knowledge of Brahma Vidya. Therefore, Yasmadagnivayu Ayurapi
यस्मादग्निवायुः
Indravakyadev Vidhan Chakratuhu
इन्द्रवाक्यादेव विदाञ्चक्रुः
Indrena hi Umavakyat
इन्द्रेण
इन्द्रेण हि
वाक्यात्
उमावाक्यात्
Pratamam Shrutam Brahmeti
प्रथमं श्रुतं ब्रह्मेति
ब्रह्मेति
Ataha
अतः
Yasmad Agnivayu Agnivayu Itreda Dvandva Samasa. Vayu Agnivayu. Sandhi not possible because it is Prakrigyam. Ido de Dvivachanam Prakrigyam. Don't do Sandhi also. That's why Sandhi not done. Who is there? Is there? Can we do Yen Sandhi? No. Idude Dvivachanam, Prakrigyam, and Prakrigyam is Prakrigya Sandhi, Subhavena Vasitihi. So that will be there as it is. Prakrigya Sandhi. No, sir. Sandhi will not happen. Yasmad Agni Vayu, Agni and Vayu also, Indra Vakya Deva, because Indra was the one who received this knowledge and Indra taught this knowledge to Agni Vayu. Therefore, Indra Vakya Deva, Vidan Chakratuhu. They came to know Chakratuhu, these two people. Agni and Vayu, they came to know that that Yaksha is Brahma. The Yaksha is Brahma, they came to know. And Indrenahi, Uma Vakyat Pratamam Shutam Brahma Giti. By Indra alone, through the Vakya of Uma Devi, that Yaksha is Brahma, came to know, Indra came to know. Therefore, Indra is greater because he was the one, among the three devatas, he is the one who came to know who this Yaksha is, that the Yaksha is Brahma. So Brahma Jnanam, he only got first. Pratamam Labdavan. So therefore, because he came to know first, therefore Indra is greater than other devatas, Agni and Vayu. So that's why Yasmat Tasmad Va Indraha.
Tasmad va
Indraha
Atitara Mivan Yan Devan.
Atitaram
Ivanyan Devan
Devan
Sahenanne Dishtam Pasparsha.
Sahenan Nedishtam Pasparsha
Sahenat Pratamo Vidan Chakara Brahmeti.
Sahenat Pratamo Vidam Chakara
Chakara Brahmeti.
There is no difference between this mantra and this mantra. Both are same only. Here ete devaha agni vayu indraha bhagavachanam. Anyan devan atitaram. Here only Indra only is talked about because he is the one who came to know this Brahma Vidya first. Therefore Indraha atitaram Anyan devan, come other devatas, atitaram iva excelled other devatas as though. Saha, why? Because Saha, he, Henat, this Brahma, Nedishtam, Antikatamam, Pasparsha, Ekavacham, Nitlakara, Pasparsha, Prashatuhu, Pasprishuhu. Previous it is Pasprishuhu because of the Bhagavachan. Here, Indra came into contact with Brahma very intimately, closely, Nedishtam, Antikatamam. Saha, he enat pratamaha vidanchakara. Pratamam or pratamaha can be taken as a qualifier to saha. Both ways possible. Pratamaha pradanaha ityartha. Indra is the one who came to know this Brahma firstly. Vidanchakara Brahmeti. The same meaning. The Vashikara also doesn't explain much the same words he uses. Let us complete this also. Tasmadvai Indraha Atitaramiva.
Tasmat Vai Indraha Atitaram
Atisherate iva anya devan.
Atisherate
Iva
Anyan
Anyan Devan
Sahenanne dishtam pasparsha.
Sahenan Nedishtam
Pasparsha.
Yasma sahenat pratamaha vidanchakara.
Yasmat
Yasmat Saha Henat Pratamaha Vidanchakara
Brahmagiti.
Brahma iti
Uktartam bhakyam.
Uktartham Vakyam.
So meaning is simple. Yasmat, therefore tasmat. Yasmat indraha uma vakyat pratamam shutam. Therefore tasmat indraha anya devan atitaram iva atisherate iva. He excelled as though the other devatas. Iva, the same meaning we can take either anartakaha or avadharanartakaha iva shabdaha prayujyate. Saha yenat Brahma antikatam nedishtam pasparsha came into contact with this Brahma very intimately, closely. It means he received this Brahma Vidya Brahma Jnanam. Therefore, Yasmat Saha Yenat Pratamaha Vidanchakara. Saha Yenat Pratamam Pratamaha. I said later you can take Pratamaha Indraha or Pratamam Vidanchakara came to know this Brahma first. Uktartam Vakyam. Uktam Artham Yasya Vakyasya. Uktartam Vakyam. That is the Vakya, meaning of the Ukta Vakya. Next mantra, we will see. We will see in the next class. Upasana, welcome. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद जी.